first circuit here is the forward lunge, makes the spider go in and out. The key banger supplies a ground to the relay. The relay takes the ground along with its power and it transfers it down to this solenoid. This solenoid takes compressed air that's been regulated and shoots it out to this ram. The ram brings it out, and when the solenoid is at rest, the ram gets air to the other side, and it has a restrictor here, so it comes back slowly and it comes back. The second one here, this would give ground to the second relay. The relay gets its power from the power supply here. The output goes out to here, which gives air out to the cylinder underneath here. It raises it up. The third one here, this one supplies power or ground to the third relay. Relay takes power from the power supply, sends it out to this solenoid here. This solenoid here sends air out to the two little air cylinders. When it's energized, it pushes air one way, and when it's at rest, air is pushed back the other way. The next one here is the spitter. The spitter, again, the key banger sends ground out to the spitter relay. The relay and the power supply, or the power supply supplies power. The relay switches it on. It travels through, goes up, energizes this solenoid. This solenoid shoots air. There's already water trapped in a line, and the water runs up and out through the spitter. The next one here, this one here is the left movement. Makes the spider go to the left. Again, the ground sends ground to this relay. This relay gets its power from the power supply. It sends a signal out to one of these relays. Each one's a side to side. That relay switches AC voltage. AC voltage comes out, and this is the left solenoid, and it's an AC solenoid, so it switches air to this cylinder, and that makes it go left. Same thing, the right one does this one to this one. I'm not sure which one it is, probably this one. And then that sends signal out to the right solenoid, and the right solenoid is AC. All the other solenoids are DC. And then, no matter which one of these are being triggered, whenever any of these are being triggered, it sends an individual circuit through this diode path. That's why there's so many wires here. So it sends an individual path through here that goes over to this relay, and that sends 5-volt reference power out to the wiper motor. So no matter what circuit is energized at that time through the diode pack, that energizes the wiper motor and makes the legs turn.